and welcome to Life in Envelopes. I am Jennifer Bleecher. This channel is all about planning, budgeting, paying off debt, and my very exciting journey from full-time teacher to full-time Etsy shop owner and YouTuber. So if that is something that you think you would like to see, then please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you along on this journey. In today's video, we're going to be doing my business budget check-in for the 4th week of February. Wait, is that right? Let's look. Yes. So we're doing my business budget check-in for the 4th week of February, but we're not closing out the month quite yet because I'm expecting one more check on Monday, and once that comes in, then we'll go ahead and close out the whole month. But let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Okay, so let's start with income. I actually received 3 checks this week. I received one from Etsy, YouTube, and Amazon. So the one from Etsy was for $954. Again, so happy with these numbers. Couldn't be happier. YouTube is $652. And Amazon, I was surprised, made $102 with my Amazon storefront. So let's see how much we've made this month so far. So we have 3128 plus 954, 652, and 102. Wow. 4836. Wow. I mean, again, this is before everything comes out, but oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay. So, moving on to expenses. So, this is for both Etsy and YouTube are going to help cover these expenses, so, and Amazon as well. So, let's go to the expense notebook and see what we got. I needed a lot of supplies this week, so let's go over all of those first. So I needed some more shipping labels, some more Dymo shipping labels, which are $20. By the way, I round up for the purposes of this video, but the documents that I prepare for my tax accountant do have decimals, just so you know. Okay, so shipping is, so that was a shipping category for $20. I was so excited, you guys. So I ordered a couple of packets of stickers from MamaRhi. I love watching her channel, and I have learned so much from her as far as starting a sticker shop goes. And I've never actually purchased stickers from her, but I just couldn't help myself with the mystery kit. She was so excited about it, I just had to get it, and it came in yesterday, and it was like Christmas. I was so excited opening it up and seeing all the pieces. Anyway, so I got that, and I decided to count it as a business expense because I'm planning on doing a YouTube plan with me for YouTube. So that was $26. I did order some more stickers from Cara Jo, more category budget stickers from her. It was time for me to restock, and that was $28. Jacob was paid his $125. Jacob for cutting stickers for me. I had a few Amazon purchases. I ordered some mailers for $40. A stool. I'm still trying to get a stool, you guys. So I got the stool in. It was $62. I built it last night, and then this morning I went and tried to sit on it, and I don't like it. I had the same problem with this stool as I did with the last stool. It's too tall for me. Like, I can't get up on it, which is really frustrating because I'm not a short person. I'm like 5'8.5", almost 5'9". So I'm like, how? Yeah. Anyway, so this is going back, but right now it's out of the account. Eventually it will be returned, so we'll see when that refund comes in. I ordered more sticker paper for $187. I had an Insta Ink come out for $53. So I have 3 Insta Ink printers. Each one has its own plan, which is $53 a month. So every month I'm charged $53 per printer. I have decided this month, I have decided to switch to a different printer. And I want to do a comparison video of the two, but I want to use the new printer for a while first before I do that. So I decided to keep one of my Insta Ink printers, which is through HP, and I got rid of the other 2. So, well, actually, they stopped working, which is so frustrating. Anyways, that's a whole video. Okay, so I canceled the Instant Ink programs with the other 2 printers. So going forward, I should only have 1 charge. So in March, I should only have 1 Instant Ink charge instead of 3. Okay, on Amazon, I ordered some lotion that is under my hair and makeup budget. I ordered some more cutting mats from Amazon for $52. So the cutting mats I absolutely love the silhouette mats, and they are perfect and they're great, but they're so expensive. I can't remember what the price was individually on these mats, but I think it was about half the price to go with these mats versus the silhouette mats. So the problem is they came in yesterday and I don't like them. They're so difficult to use. They ripped my stickers up. So I ended up ordering more mats, which you'll see in a minute here. So if it would have worked out, it would have been great. But otherwise, it just feels like kind of a waste of money at this point. Okay, so the new printer I got, it's actually quite pricier than the ones I was using before. Like the ones I was using before, I could get refurbished for $90. This was $500. Let's see, it's going to be 4 payments of $145. So $580 total. I did the Afterpay where you pay you pay a quarter of the payments every 2 weeks, just so I could spread out the cost with my income that comes in for the shop. So I've already paid the first $145 for the new printer, which is amazing, you guys. I printed off, I think, 500 sheets yesterday, and the print quality was amazing. I'm very happy with it so far. Okay, then I ordered some more mats from Walmart. Wait a second. Is that right? Was it $219? Just a second, let me look. Okay, so this does not match the receipt that I got from them. So I think what happened was they weren't able to fulfill my full order because I ordered 12 mats and the receipt I got only has 7 mats on it and it's only $90. But they took $219 out on my bank statement. So until they refund that amount, I'm going to make sure I count it. I'll probably come back next week and give a refund amount for the amount that they weren't able to send. But just to be on the safe side, and that's the most I could order from Walmart was 12. So just to be on the safe side, I also ordered from Silhouette. And here, I'll show you. Right here. And I realized that ordering 12 mats from Silhouette cost $190. Ordering 12 from Walmart costs $219. So it's actually cheaper for me to order from Silhouette. The problem is it takes longer to get them. So I'm just going to be proactive. So 2 weeks, so after I get this, 2 weeks from after the 12th time that I receive this, I'm going to go ahead and order the next order. Because I think it takes about 2 weeks for them to come in. Okay, and then I ordered a pattern from Etsy, which was $6. So quite a bit of business expenses this week. So that's $11.94. So let's go over to the expense sheet. So as you can see, the last couple weeks, there wasn't very much that went to business expenses. So we really made up for it this week. Okay, so let's see all together how much went towards business expenses so far this month. So $21.59. Okay, moving on to take-home pay. So this week from Etsy, we paid ourselves $370, and YouTube, we paid ourselves $500 from that. So let's see all together what my take-home pay was so far this month. 1110 plus $370. That is $1480 plus $500. That is $1980. So coming over to calculate taxes. Now, like I said before, we're not closing out the month yet. So this is just an estimate at this point. Let me grab some sticky notes. Okay, so starting with sales. So our sales so far are $4,836. Okay, minus our expenses, $2,159. Okay, so this is going to give us our net. So 4,836 minus 2,159. That is 2,677. That's left. Now this is what I have to pay taxes on, and I have to pay 30% to taxes. So I'm going to multiply this times 0.3 to get that 30%. So 2677 times 0.3. So $803 will go towards taxes. Okay, so we have the 2677 minus the 803. Oh no, I think my pen's running out. That's too bad. I love these pens, but they do run out of ink quickly. Okay, so 803, 2677 minus 803. That is 1874. So it looks like we're going to be negative right at this point. So 1980 was my take-home pay. So I'm going to take away 1980. So 1874 minus 1980 is a negative amount of 106. So this is what I'm thinking. We have one more check coming in, and I'm not going to buy anything between now and Monday, but we will have one more check going in. As long as it's enough to cover this amount, then we're good. But if it's not, then I will need to return some of my take-home pay. Like, I probably won't get any take-home pay this last week here. But I will get some at the end of the week because we'll get two payments. We're going to get our last payment for February this upcoming week, but we'll also get our first payment for March. So I'll still get income for our family budget, but maybe not here on this sheet. Okay, very interesting. So it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out with our family budget. So you'll want to make sure that you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be doing the family budget. And it'll be interesting just to close out the month and see how everything works out. I might not be able to sustain. Oh, we didn't do 370. Uh-oh, friends. We did 450. That was my new payment, which I was just about to say we might not be able to sustain that pay increase. So, yeah, we probably won't be able to. Okay, let me rerun these numbers really quickly, and I'll get back to you with the new total. Okay, so we're actually negative 186 at this point. So if I don't make enough money on Monday to cover that amount, then I will need to return some of my income back to the business so that the business isn't negative. This is interesting. I was asked that because I'm experimenting giving myself a salary, and I have been asked, well, what happens if you don't make enough money in the end to cover this? Well, I guess this is what happens. I'm not going to be able to keep all the money I gave myself. So I mean, at this point, that's what I'm thinking. But we'll have to see once I close everything out how it all works out. Okay, friends, so stay tuned. I hope you guys can come back and join me tomorrow when I do the family budget. And then again in a few days when I come back to close this budget out completely after we get that last check. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, will you please give it a thumbs up? And I will see you all again next time. Bye, everyone.